Uh, Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss about what are the sounds of English. Have you ever noticed that? I think you must have listened BBC or CNN. Okay, do you understand the English that they say? I think may or may not. It is because their ways of pronunciation is different from that of yours. We are the Indian people. Uh, we speak according to our regional languages, like Hindi speaking people or Hindi speaking pronounce the English words like they are native. Okay, so I think we must have. We may not reach their pronunciation level, but I think we must go to our best. Okay, there are 26 letters. Yes, of course. You may. I think it's not. I'm just saying that there are 26 letters in English and 44 sounds. Okay, what are the 44 sounds? And the 44 sounds again divided into 24 consonants and 20 vowels. Okay, friends, today I am going to discuss sounds of English. We know every language has its own way of spoken form or pronunciation. There are 26 letters in English and they have 44 speech sounds in English. What are the 24 consonant sounds or 20 vowel sounds? We know what are the consonant sounds, the speech sounds during the articulation of which the air from the two lungs do not escape freely or continuously through the mouth or are consonant sounds. While producing the consonant sounds, there must be closure, partial closure, or sufficient narrowing the mouth or cavity. And thus the air passes through various speech organs with obstruction and also without obstruction. Here the consonant sounds: P in pen, pin, pen; B, bin, ben; T in tin, ten; D in don, down; K in cot, cat; Z in got, goat. Here 6 consonant sounds, and again these are the other consonant sounds: C in chin, China, chin; Z in zun, zun, zun; F, fan, fit; V, van, voice; theta, 30, think; delta, dish, dat; C, skull; S, Z, zil, zip; as C, so; Z, measure, pleasure; H, hat, how; M, me, man. And also here and Z. Okay, here is I think it is Z, thing, sing; Z, yes, you; a life, lie; dog, wall, what; R, red, road. I think we go to the classification of consonant sounds. There are plosives: P, PB, TT, and KG. These are the plosives. P in pen is voiceless bilabial plosive, and P is voiced bilabial plosive. Together, two lips are released instantly: pen, pen; and TD. T is voiceless alveolar plosive, and D is voiced alveolar plosive. Tongue touch the hard palate: T, ten; delta, D. Okay, go to the again classify the consonant sounds into affricates. C as in chin, sin; sin is a voiceless post alveolar plosive. Affricate Z, z is in June, voiced post alveolar. Here during the articulation of these two affricates we have to closer behind the alveolum, slow release of airstream. These are the fricatives. F and fan is a voiceless labiodental fricative, and V is a in fan voiced labiodental fricatives. Here F and V articulated by inside lower lip making contact with upper teeth, like fan, van, theta and delta. Theta as in thin is voiceless dental fricative, and delta is then voiced dental fricative. Here during the articulation of these two sounds, pass tongue slightly under the upper teeth. Okay, S and Z. S in son is voiceless alveolar fricative, and Z in zoo is voiced alveolar fricative. S and Z during the articulation, tongue brushes alveolar ridge just behind the teeth. Okay, son, zoo. Okay, here S in su is voiceless palato alveolar fricative, and Z in vision is voiced palato alveolar fricative. Tongue touches the hard palate. Okay, H in horse is voiceless glottal fricative. Okay. Then we come to the nasals. Nasal sounds are M, N, and Z. M in mummy is a voiceless bilabial nasal. N in nose is a voiced alveolar nasal, and S is a NJ in sing is voiced velar nasal. Okay. And lateral sounds are some lateral sounds in leg. L in leg is voiced alveolar lateral, and to articulate these sounds, so the tongue touches the roof of the mouth and passes the air passes aside of the mouth. Okay. And some of our frictionless continuant. R in red is a first alveolar frictionless continuant sound, and some are semi-vowels. Okay, these semi-vowels are Z in yes. Okay, and W in wet. These are semi-vowels. Okay, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel if you want to improve your English speaking capability. Then do a like and hit like button, and also do not forget to share with your friends. See you again. Thank you for watching.